What? How the? Yo, Scarhawk, soaring in the sky, thinking you're fierce, but we all know why. Is it the scar or is it the hawk? Either way, when they try to talk, it's a squawk. Scarhawk, Scarhawk, what's in a name? A bird of prey with no real game. You swoop, you dive, but you never win, cause real strength comes from within. You flash your talents, you spread your wings, but against real challenge, what do you bring? A shadow on the ground, a fading mark, is all that's left with so-called Scarhawk. Soaring above the world, try and open the door, thinking you can with a brain as small as Hulk you a name for, trying to be the best, but it's in vain, for you're a ghost, unable to cause any pain. Scarhawk, Scarhawk, who lives in a game, trying to be different, but you're just lame. You dodge, you swipe, but you never win, cause in reality, you're just a sin.
What the? What?
Yeah.
Yeah! No way! No way!
You flash your talents, you're fast as a hair, but against real challenge, how do you fare? A corpse on the ground, a faint squawk, it's all that's left of so-called Scarhawk. You think your content's so cool, but your viewers have been played for fools. You think your events are gold, but they just say mold. It's not about feathers nor the beak, not the scars you show or the praise you seek. It's about the heart, the spirit, the fire. Rise above Scarhawk, aim higher. So this is a tale, the legendary track of Scarhawk the bird who couldn't talk back. May your flights be high, your vision keen. But remember, respect is the true queen.